Hi friends, I just want to show you what my project is for this Saturday. This is my normally organized and clean office slash crafting area. I think where I'm running into a problem is that slash. I'm trying to fit so many different things into this one little space. And as you can see, as I pick up different things, and I haven't done a haul, and I probably should have, but as I pick up different things to transition into the Christmas mood, I have no place else to put it right now, except where? In here. And also, I am purging some of my crafting supplies and clothing. As you can see, all of these shoes down here and these tote bags are giveaways or donations, or my daughter said she wants to look through some of the stuff before I actually donate it. That's my cleaning caddy, so don't worry about that. There's just so much stuff, and I have, because I'm also an Avon, independent Avon rep, I have lots of supplies that I think I'm going to donate to the women's shelter, and my daughter says they have something at her school for kids who need, who get teased and need things like deodorant and shower gels and that kind of thing. So I'm also pulling some of that stuff together that I've had a while and can bless someone else with, and it's all going on at once. So I just wanted to show you how I'm starting here, or how I have started, because I actually started in the closet, thus all of the summer shoes that are now going away and getting donated. Yeah, so this is my project for this Saturday. As you know, most Saturdays I've started something. I probably should do a playlist for my Saturday projects or something, because most Saturdays I try and bring you guys along for my project when I have one. I thought today was going to be my refrigerator side because I did my freezer last week. But then I looked at my office and said, okay, I can't stand this one more day. I can't even sit down at my desk to pay a bill. So if I don't clean it off, they might come and carry me away. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to bring you along. So come on in and let's get organizing. So here, guys, I'm just separating things and putting them where they should be. I have bins and all of that where these things could be, but because they're Christmas items, I don't want to put them there. But I do have other things that are just all over the place as well. So right now we're separating and we're cleaning. I'm also showing you some things that I've picked up from different places, and I'm putting all of the Christmas items into this box. That's because I have so much Christmas stuff, but it's all put away and I don't have space to bring it all down and spread it out yet. So what I'll do is transfer my fall things and then bring the Christmas things down, because I just don't have the space for both. So as I pick things up, I'm just going to store them in this box because I have some crafting that I want to do. So I needed these items to do that. So I should have done a haul, but I didn't. But I'll be showing you little things as I go along. This box contains items that I've picked up over time from thrift stores and that friends have donated to me to DIY, and I just haven't gotten around to it. It's past time that I just sit down and start doing some more of that stuff, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm organizing this box so that I can get to making some things and putting some new things together and turning some trash into treasure. So now I'm separating that because it's just a mess. But it won't be when I'm done. Ha ha. Can you believe that you can see the floor now? And once I turn the camera around, the bed is also clear except for the box of Christmas things. We're making progress, friends. So now we've gotten things organized. I cannot believe how much nicer inside my closet looks. I pulled together lots of things to purge and to donate or bless someone else with. And now we have entered the cleaning phase, moving right along. And look what I found at the back of the closet, this beautiful tall vase here. It had rocks in the bottom and a red candle sitting on top, but I'm thinking I can use this for so many different things. I don't think I'm going to paint it or upcycle it. I think I'm going to use it as is, but hey, you never know. But what a nice find, and I found it in my own stash. Candle lit, which means we're coming down to the wire. So it's almost time to show you what we've actually done all day and how it turned out. So stick around to the end to see the progress.
Suffocate my feelings for you, and I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, leaves change their color and fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow.
What you see hanging on the door are all donations. As I said, my daughter is going to go through all the bags to see if there's anything in there she needs. And I've also donated some things to her classroom, so those will be gone as soon as I'm done.
When the leaves change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop.
Okay, guys, I need your help. So if you have any ideas of, you see my space, you see how tight it is. This chair is very comfortable, but it's awfully big. So if you can have any ideas of what I can replace it with, just leave it in the comments below, even a link to one. I love your suggestions, so I'll be looking forward to seeing what you have to show me.
Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time.
So guys, look what we can accomplish in one day. I mean, this room is just a total wreck. And now I know where everything is. It looks neat and tidy again. It's organized, and it's organized so that I can get back to crafting and DIYing. You know, it's kind of hard to do anything when a place is just in disarray. So I hope you've enjoyed our day together today. I've enjoyed spending it with you. I hope I have given you some incentive. If you have an area in your house that needs a little upgrading, a little tidying up, I hope it will inspire you to do so. Now is a great time to get it done. So guys, with that said, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with hugs and blessings. I'm going to ask that if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And once you subscribe, hit that little bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. I love to see you here. And for my ride or die, you know how I feel about you. I don't ever want to forget to say, I love you, I love you, I love you. So with that said, Avery, my grandson, and I will say, bye-bye.